1, 0, all engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
On July 16th, 1969, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin and Michael Collins boarded the Apollo 11 with the hopes of landing the first man on the moon. 4 days later, on July 20th, Neil Armstrong became the first man to ever set foot on the moon, declaring one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. It's a story you've probably heard many times, told it by your parents, grandparents, and even studied it in school. But have you ever thought, how was this all possible? How was the spacecraft created to carry humans into space? How did they know it would work? Through aerospace engineering. Aerospace engineering is the act of designing, building and maintaining space and aircraft, but it doesn't stop there. Aerospace engineers spend many years researching, developing and testing equipment to create onboard navigation systems, assemble and fit aircraft components, carry out in-flight testing programs and design fuel-efficient parts to produce spectacular aircraft suitable to transport people all over the world, and most impressively, to be used successfully in space. Take the Apollo 11 for example, the world's most famous spacecraft. Aerospace engineers spent years designing each and every inch of the craft, right down to the type of batteries which were used to keep the spacecraft running. Designing hydrogen-oxygen fuel cells which converted energy released in a chemical reaction directly into electrical power. Each day as an aerospace engineer is different. One day you may be working in an office, the next in production factories, or even in aeronautical laboratories to examine and test aircraft. Does this sound like the career for you? Do you want to build the next space shuttle that creates history, or the fastest aircraft which sets new records? Well, here's what you'll need. Right now you'll need to focus on your mathematics skills. Having excellent math skills is what will set you apart from the rest of the crowd. Science then comes a close second, with physics and chemistry being the subjects to aim high in. Ensuring your GCSE grades are as high as your ability lets them is key, allowing you to study them at A-level, followed by studying a related degree of engineering or mathematics. Along with having the right qualifications, you need to have the right skills and qualities to thrive in this industry. Being an aerospace engineer is not for the faint-hearted. A love of space, aviation and the latest technologies will give you the ambition and drive you need when times get tough. Using your initiative to solve problems and thinking creatively will make your design stand out from the crowd. Aerospace is not about fitting in, it's about what makes you different from the rest, to design imaginative and resourceful aircraft. Be curious and not afraid to ask questions. Thinking outside the box is what will help you to strive as an aerospace engineer. Want to learn more about aerospace engineering and how to get the grades you need to secure your future career? Visit Endgame on Facebook, where we are waiting to guide you into a career as an aerospace engineer.